आगे बढ़ते हैं मित्रों। ग्रामीण विकास की बात हो या फिर जल और ऊर्जा के स्रोतों के प्रबंधन की बात हो या फिर गरीबों की दुनिया का अध्ययन करना हो, विकास के प्रयास हो या प्रयासों की दुविधा हो, बाल हो या युवा संबंधी विषय हो, इन सब पर अगर कोई एक विशिष्ट नाम हमारे सामने आता है जिन्होंने इस पर बेहद महत्वपूर्ण काम किया है, योगदान दिया है, तो वो हैं एस परशुरामन जी को हम आमंत्रित करते हैं, वो आएं और अपनी बात कहें। प्रोफेसर एस परशुरामन जी।
Respected colleagues on the dais, my dear students, it gives me immense pleasure to be here this evening to talk to you. There are four basic points which I would want to make. In the last 2 months, I have been dealing with four major issues. The first issue was displacement of Masanjogi community that was living on the footpath of Agarwadi in M East Ward, where we are located. Some 20 of my students were arrested for trying to protect their place of stay, footpath. I spent the whole night with my students in the lockup, and then at the end of the day, I brought my students along with the 200 families to my campus so that they can they have a place to stay. We continue to run night kitchen for people who continue to be evicted in the ward where we are located in Mumbai. There is a group of my students currently working in Muzaffarnagar, trying to see how justice can be done to them. They have been there for quite some time and they are going to be there for some more time. So my students take rounds in terms of different groups going there. We started working with homeless people in Delhi about 10 years ago. The number has only increased over a period of time. In the winter, we have a group of my colleagues who go around distributing kambal, working with the government to see the shelters are created so that people can find a night where they can sleep peacefully. In my Tuljapur campus, my students and my teachers don't eat one meal a week. And what they save of that particular meal, they give it to the nomadic tribe community that is located close by. We tried everything else to see that they get their rights. But then, this seems to be one of the ways whereby we can protect their lives. Now, I can go on with, issues whereby the rights and dignity of this nation's people are violated in very many ways. And how do you secure those rights is a major issue. Currently, we are in a process of selecting 160 Prime Minister's Rural Development Fellows. And it is heartwarming to know when we advertised for this position, we had 12,800 applications, all young people like you. And of course, we can select only 160 of them. Why are we selecting them? They are going to be working in Naxalite-affected areas. Now, why this issue of Naxalism? Why this issue of, trying to work in those locations is that, first of all, we create context whereby people get into issues of that kind. And then we find solutions like Prime Minister's Rural Development Fellows to motivate young people like you to go and work in the most difficult areas to see government's development and welfare programs reach them. The future of this nation is in your hands. you can change the destiny of this nation by taking the side with the people, by taking side with justice, by taking sides with the democratic rights of all people, actually. How do you work for the rights and dignity of all people in this country, as citizens of this country, is a huge challenge. And this Parliament of the Students is an amazing experiment to bring together some of the most motivated young people of this country and talk to you over 3 days and to send you back as ambassadors of social change. You go back, you talk to other students of your college and your community and create a context whereby all of you can work together to create a context whereby there need not be poverty in this country, there need not be injustice in this country, and that is the most important thing which we need to do. The young people can do it, and that's what our young parliamentarians like Priyadarji and Pandeyji have been trying to do in their constituencies. So join politics, become leaders, join politics, join administrative services, go to our villages, trying to fight against injustice. And I think you can change the future of this nation and the conditions for the people. Thank you. Bye-bye.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रोफेसर परशुरामन जी।